Welcome back to another video. This is Financial Fiend, your financial guide and your go-to destination for mastering money matters. Today, we're going to explore a strategy that will transform the way you manage your money. The 50-30-20 rule. It's not just a budgeting technique, it's a financial compass steering you toward financial success. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is a simple yet powerful budgeting approach that divides your income into three distinct categories: needs, wants, and savings. The rule suggests allocating 50% of your income to essentials, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's like a financial GPS, guiding you toward financial stability and long-term wealth. Now let's dive into the first segment of this financial triad, the essential 50%. These are your non-negotiables, the must-haves that keep the ship afloat. These are things such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are the cornerstones of your budget. Next up, we have the discretionary 30%. This is where the fun begins, but it requires a judicious approach. You don't want to overdo these expenses. Be honest on where your dollars go and have discipline and control. These expenses are dining out, entertainment, and shopping. These fall under the discretionary category. It's the spice of life, but moderation is key. This 30% allows for flexibility and enjoyment without compromising your financial goals. Again, this requires discipline and a sound judgment, as this can make you go over budget. Now let's shine a spotlight on the financial powerhouse, the 20% dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This segment is your ticket to financial security and freedom. Whether it's building an emergency fund, putting it toward investments, or aggressively paying down debt, this 20% is where your financial future takes shape. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule lies in its adaptability. It's not a one-size-fits-all strategy. It's a blueprint that you tailor to your unique financial landscape. Grab a notebook, create a budget, and start allocating your income according to the 50-30-20 rule. This personalized plan ensures that your financial ship sails smoothly toward your goals. I did make a video on this topic titled Budget for Dummies: How to Create a Budget Plan. I go over in detail 5 easy steps in creating a budget plan. Like any journey, your financial course might encounter challenges. But don't worry, as the 50-30-20 rule is flexible. If your income or expenses change, adjust the percentages accordingly. The key is to stay vigilant, adapt, and keep steering toward financial success. A crucial component of the 50-30-20 rule is the emphasis on savings. Within that 20%, building an emergency fund is paramount. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net ensures that unexpected expenses won't derail your financial journey. As you embark on your 50-30-20 journey, here are some practical tips to optimize your plan and maximize its impact. Number 1, regularly review and adjust. Your financial landscape evolves, so should your plan. Number 2, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Number 3, prioritize high interest debt. If you have outstanding debt, prioritize paying down high interest balances. And number 4, celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your financial victories, big or small. I encourage you to implement the 50-30-20 rule, personalize it, and witness the transformative power it holds. It's not just a budgeting strategy, it's a roadmap to financial empowerment and freedom. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share this video with the people you love. Together, let's pave the way to financial success. Until next time, This is Financial Fiend signing off. May your budgets be balanced and your financial future be abundantly bright.